The River first episode of season 6. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on The River from the 6th to the 10th of February 2023 on Monday. Death descend in the world and someone doesn't get enough of making enemies on Tuesday. Cobra weighed down by the guilty of the descent tragedy. The Hlope argue about what to do with their son on Wednesday. Lindiwe is caught with her fangs out just as she's about to commit another crime. Kiriboni seeks help for Cobra from the last person who would want to help him on Thursday. The walls around Lindiwe begins to crumble and Kwezi gets a visit from an unexpected guest on Friday. Nomafu comes up with what is possible the most devious plan ever to stabilize the enemy. Lindiwe runs into someone she has not seen in the longest time. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.